Rishikesh, the city of peace, spirituality, and the sound of flowing water. But today I'm here for something special. For the first time ever, I'm painting outside, under the open sky. There's something magical about painting in nature, and what better place than by Ganga River? Let's see how it goes. Before we start painting, let's explore this magical place. Rishikesh is not just a city, it's an energy. Rishikesh is full of vibrant markets with colorful stalls, spiritual vibes, and most peaceful river views. Everything here feels like a painting itself. The biggest challenge of painting outdoors, finding the perfect spot. I wanted a view that captures the essence of Rishikesh, the flowing river, the peaceful ghats, and distant mountains. Alright, setup is done. I have my brushes, acrylic paints, and my sketchbook. Now let's start. First, a quick sketch to mark where everything goes. I am keeping it simple, just the river, distant mountains, and a bit of sky. No overthinking. Then, time for first strokes of color. The best part of outdoor painting, the light keeps changing. One moment the sky looks warm, the next sun hides behind clouds. I have to work fast before scene changes completely. Finding the right spot was tough, but I finally chose this riverside area. Outdoor painting is completely different from painting in a studio. Here everything moves. The light keeps changing, the wind shakes your canvas, and you can't press Ctrl+Z if you make a mistake. The key to plein air painting, fast decisions. The scene changes every few minutes, so I have to work quickly. And here comes the first challenge. The sun is moving and shadows are shifting. I have to keep adjusting my colors to match what I see now. And guess what? Audience has already started gathering. Some people are curious, some are silent observers, and few even gave expert feedback without being artists themselves. The Ganga looks different every second, sometimes deep green, sometimes bright blue, depending on the sunlight. It's not about making an exact copy, it's about capturing the feeling of the place. And I think I did just that. There's something special about painting in the moment, feeling the breeze, hearing water, and letting nature guide your brush. I'm starting with some soft blue base and I build up the layers gradually. Plein air painting is a game of patience. One mistake, no undo button. Also, the sun is moving fast, which means my shadows are changing. I have to adapt. One thing I love about painting outdoors, random interactions. Honestly, I love when people get involved. It makes the experience more fun. Final details. Adding some ripples to the water, brightening the sun reflection and softening the edges of the mountains. A few kids were so excited they asked if they could paint too. Moments like this remind me why I love art. It connects strangers without words. Outdoor painting is unpredictable. There's a wind, dust, and even curious people watching. But that's fun, right? And it's done. What do you think? Did I capture the mood of Rishikesh? my first plein air painting experience in Rishikesh. Was it easy? No. But was it worth it? 100% yes. Painting here felt like meditation. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And tell me, should I paint in another travel spot? Suggest one in the comments. Hi guys, so let's end this vlog here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I can already see the difference from when I started. Painting outdoors teaches you patience. You can't control the surroundings, but you can control how you adapt to them. Would you like to see more plein air paintings? Let me know in the comments. Try for more art and travel content. One thing I didn't expect, the random connections, a child watching in silence and stranger asking about my painting.